before we go downstate for today's Tratitude, Traveling with Attitude, I bring you Seneca Falls. Yes, the home of women's rights. Yes, where the 19th Amendment was ratified, etc., etc. But let's get into the, I can't see the way this is going to come out on the video, but it'll, you know what? Here we go. When you're dealing with Shannon Falk anywhere, let me help you out with this. The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. That's what you're going to get here. Unedited, a problem. The problem began for Billy. Let's see. Here we go. There, if you need to photograph your problem, don't lie, Billy. Don't do such a thing. Let's read Billy's March 1st, 2024. I am writing you. This is Jeb Singer at Liberty Plaza, where Billy is thinking he's a big shot in New York. You aren't, Billy. You aren't in New York, are you? No, you're not. No, but you're writing him. Let's see. Oh, the information on the Willitts LLC is at $330,000 in taxes not paid. Who could that be? We'll get into evidence, truth, lies, all that stuff. Videotapes. It's love stronger than hate. And I love my daughter, Max. I love you. I love you, Zoe Falk. I love you, Peter Willitts. I love Gabo, Gigi, Gertie, all good things. The bad things, no, not so much. I don't like liars. Shannon has a substantial arrest history. Oh my goodness. A conviction and incarceration. Thank you. It's going to be a nice second book. Yeah, about how you get liberated from people that falsely lie to the authorities about Shannon, about any last name, Falk, Garcia, whatever. There's problems here. Okay, well, let's get into the incarceration. Yes, because they incarcerated women also. They also called them crazy, and they couldn't control them. And I'm in Seneca Falls, and you cannot control me, ever. There. Let's see. Oh, she has a felony conviction and incarceration stemming from fraud, writing bad checks. Well, I had a joint checking account for 17 years. It seemed like you were getting paid. Let's get into that, because I have copies of that, the stuff you want for the Oregon Secretary of State. I'll contact him, let him know that Billy likes to lie. Yahoo! Yes, he does. Apparently, I was stemmed from fraud, writing bad checks, and my own negligence? Really? Oh, her written demand for family money was posted on YouTube. Oh no! Demand for family money? The only family money I want back is Gertie. Gertie, don't play that. Didn't we cover this in multiple states? Gertie, don't play that. It ain't your money, Billy. It ain't your family money. It's Falk family. Get out of the house, dude. You weren't invited. God, I wanted you to take your frickin' sunglasses off when you walked me down the aisle and you thought you were getting married. September 9th, 1989. Sorry. Divorce has come back to haunt you. Oh, no. Posting from a secret video. I'm in New York, ding-a-ling. It's a one-party consent state. Yes, as long as you're a party, you're invited to the party. You weren't a party, Billy, so you don't have anything to say to Mr. Kleinberger. I do. I have things to say to his other principal, too. John R. Perlman, your big baby. Aww. Let's see. Shannon has given us required enrichment, formal extortion complaint to the FBI. Billy's going to go to the FBI? Oh, wait a minute. Didn't Shannon go to the FBI with photographic evidence of something? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Shannon wandered into a community property state. On with, who would that be that I own community property with? Oh, wait. Oh, this guy. Didn't the lady say in his letter that Lance Brandt never handled anything? That's weird. I guess Lance doesn't know how to read a tax form. There you go, Lance. Let's see, there would have been, your income from you was $188,000. You're a cheap ride, but okay. Yeah, the Willitts paid something, the dinglings, the jerks. Yes, but apparently he was, let's read Billy's other version because it's hysterical. I'm doing extortion when it's convenient for the Willitts. Oh wait, is that extortion? To say that the truth, that you lie like a rug at 10:21? Oh wait, and then let's see, maybe the Oregon Secretary of State. Are you watching? Hey, I think I'll tag them. There's the same registered agent. Dun 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 dun. His name is Brian Witt. Sheesh. What can Brian Witt do? Mess a lot of things up. Billy, though, gets confused because 2021, he has a different tune. Oh, let's see what Billy was saying in 2021 because Billy can't even figure out what case we're talking about in any year, just in case. But our family, oh, what family? What family? What family? Your family? Billy, you're not family. No one up there is family. Family doesn't treat family like a Ukrainian. You know, like actually, I stand with Ukraine. They get treated just about as good as, like Vladimir Putin treats them better than, well, okay, I will not pile on. Ukraine already has it much harder than me. But here we go. Oh, your latest, let's see, let's have the truth here. Because 2021, our family appreciates your compassion for Shannon. We believe you are a good and honest man. Uh-oh. If you believe someone's good and honest, you're going to good and try and take advantage of them, aren't you? Grady just wanted an accounting. That's all anyone's ever asked from you, ding-a-ling. To account. Be accountable. You will be held accountable any which way, in one life or another. Let me tell you, that's where you're going, to the land of accountability. Whenever we pass, we're all going there anyway. But while I'm around, I'm going to hold you accountable. We have limited legal options. Oh, Billy, that's not extorting, is that? That's almost like coercion. I'm going to have to look that up. Conspiracy, coercion. Yeah, didn't I already give all the feds the information for a RICO? Racketeering in a crooked organization? I wonder, corrupt. I'm sorry. That's the RICO. The RICO statutes were actually done in Cornell. It's racketeering in a corrupt organization. No, not the church, not the Episcopal Church for women. That's not corrupt. The things that are corrupt, we already covered. Shannon's taxes from Oregon, that's a problem for you. Oh, but you know, you're going to be too busy covering for your little cover boy, aren't you? Because he's who you think your family is. Sorry, you're not related. Michael doesn't really give a flying bleep about anybody but himself. Oh, wait, he's like that other guy, Jason, who did didn't Jason do a hashtag I am Michael? Really? Jason, you had to cash a $12,000 check in 2019? You should have just asked me to borrow money, dude. A loser. Good God. Oh, but no, Jason was too busy. Well, Billy was asking Jeb Singer about the U.S. Bank. I have it. There you are. Do you want the tax levy for your guy Lance Brandt, who's supposedly not responsible? Maybe that's something else Mr. Kleinberger, Mr. Perlman will take care of in New York, eh? Yeah, covering up your dirt, eh? Oh, wait, wasn't that issued with... Uh-oh. Oh, well, it's design, of course. That's how men... There's certain men, there's some good men, too. I'm not saying all men are bad. There's a lot of good men out there. But, dun, 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 dun. When you put money in the house, oh boy, that becomes an epic problem. And then it looks like old Uncle Jason. Uncle Jason, yeah. Mr. Sotomayor is the broker, yeah, for Bancorp. You think I wouldn't notice? I'm the person, remember, Billy? Oh, don't you remember why? No, the responsible person? The guy like Jason Willitts is responsible? Yeah, a responsible person actually pays the insurance ding-a-ling. They don't go around and claim their daughter is the problem. It's not in the ceiling, ass clown. The problem is, I know what Billy is. Billy's nothing but a little journeyman plumber. Yeah, I remember going to a Bolo Burns and getting some chiclets. I know what you are. You're nothing but a little journeyman plumber. I'm sorry you did not marry a real estate man from New York. But as a New Yorker, let me tell ya, love is stronger than hate. That's the message of my gratitude. That is traveling with attitude. No matter how strong the hate is on you, don't let it shade you. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for the BS. There are good men out there. There are bad men out there. There are good women out there. There are bad women out there. Donna Lee Flom. Oh, wait. She married Bruce Falk, so Donna L. Falk. Wait. Bruce was dying December 7th, 2005. Wasn't there a tax deadline? Oh, yeah, New York. I left the marriage. Oh, what did I leave the marriage for? Merry Christmas! Yes, I did. I left that stupid marriage December 25th. And then I did a dropout vacation to Puerto Rico 1 year, 2019, and come back to hell on earth. Not Seneca Falls. Seneca Falls was not hell on earth. Seneca Falls was fine. They did their best they could with what they had, with their limited resources. Isn't that Billy's always? Billy blames everybody for, hey, you can't help our daughter because your town has limited resources. Oh, Billy, that sounds like a banana republic. That sounds like you. You're taking resources from places you shouldn't be. And when you do that, then your daughter moves to a town where you couldn't figure it out. You could not figure out the meaning and why. The 19th Amendment, the whole thing. But also, it's famous for a certain museum. It's temporarily closed. But this is the largest black and white museum to It's a Wonderful Life, which is based on a true story in Seneca Falls. A crazy Italian jumped off the bridge up there. Yes, there are crazy, good, cool Italians. And he saved someone else's life and he died. And that's how it works. Sometimes you're the person that sacrifices. That was my nephew. He sacrificed so this lie would stop. And his aunt loves him. Shannon Falk, Aunt Shan, loves William Gabriel Willitts. His first words were, Momo, Momo. And Zoe's first words was, pretty. And I can tell you, from the crap I've been through for the last 6 years, Zoe, there is nothing pretty about Willitts, ever. And what happened to you with your father is, well, there's a penal code. It's got a 15-year minimum mandatory now. Thank you, Bill Cosby in California. So I can't be the cause of that. That's up to the laws of California. Yes, but do understand that under the age of 14, it used to be 7 years when they were supposed to put Michael in prison for that, but I think it's now 15, so I guess maybe some people will be busy, Seems like some people have been very busy. I think Brian Witt is drafted, for being a credit union attorney, this is a man who has drafted 1,600 trusts. And then you go to Alexandria, Virginia, and you're trying to change the proxy voting shares. I think something's up with that Brian Witt. It's a red flag, Brian. It's a problem for you. The problem is, I live to tell the tale and finish the book that I started in the town. The women had rights. Yes. Women have rights everywhere. We have a right to coexist. That's all right. We have a right to not have propaganda and lies spread about us. I don't like it. And don't tell it to my daughter, and don't spread it to my son. Definitely don't let Jonathan Human at a funeral for William Gabriel. He looked too damn happy. That again was talk about another red flag. Ugh. When you see John Human like going like this, and someone's dead. Huh. Gee. I don't think you're a very good father. Oh, wait a minute. You didn't have a good father. Oh, and your mom, isn't she bipolar? Don't you have her in like an old people's home or something? Sorry, I'm young. I'm not living it, so I'm a little busy. But anyway, that's it, guys. Oh, so before we leave Seneca Falls to take care of our to finish the unfinished business downstate that has plagued us since we moved here, I'm going to take you to I think this was the second most photographed iconic places in New York. Yes, right here. The proms and all kind of things. People gather here, right here in Seneca Falls to take their picture. So, picture that. Picture me liberated, bon voyage, because I'm not keeping secrets no more. I've always been telling the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. I know, David Chandler used to say, that doesn't mean you have to volunteer everything. So, but I'm just volunteering everything right now. Everything is that you lied about everything. And now you don't know what to do to cover your ass. That's just fine with me. Because I'm traveling with attitude. I have tattooed. Stay in it, hang in there, guys. You got this. You got this. People scapegoat you because you're strong. You're strong. You're scapegoated because you're strong. Don't fall for it. Don't give up. Don't give in. Don't give up. Never. Never. Tattoo. Travel with attitude.